Students, today our topic of discussion is story writing and how to make it more arresting for the reader. So, initially, we will commence with its definition, and here it goes. A short story is the narration of a set of fictitious events used to convey a message or fill the reader with thrill and suspense. The second thing which is very important about the story writing is the fewer people you choose as its characters, the better it is. And the third thing is it is to be written in about 200 words, that is in about 2.5 pages in simple grammatical structure with paragraphs wherever needed. The last thing here I would like to tell you about the story writing. In the exam, some hints will be given to you to start with your story writing either in the form of outlines or with a few initial lines, a few starting lines, okay? And here also a few initial lines have been given to give a better start for our story, and in the end of the story, we have to give a suitable title and message for our story if possible or asked. So here the question is, write a short story in about 200 to 250 words with the help of the cues given below. Cues means hints. So here a few hints being provided in the form of initial lines. Give a suitable title to the story, and in the end of the story you are being asked to give a suitable title for your story. So here the initial lines start. It was Mohini's first day at the new school. She was feeling very nervous. She stood in a corner and watched the students who were laughing and talking excitedly. When she saw four senior students advancing towards her, and here this line has been left in suspense. So, you have to start your story writing with the same initial lines that have been given to us. So it was Mohini's first day at the new school. She was feeling very nervous. She stood in a corner and watched the students who were laughing and talking excitedly. When she saw four senior students advancing towards her, she got terrified and started going towards her classroom hurriedly. The four students caught up with her speed and cornered her. Cornered means took her in a corner. Drops of sweat rolled down her face as she muttered. Muttered means spoke in a low voice. In a trembling voice, she spoke, "Leave me alone." They started coming nearer as they sensed her fear. Two tall boys and two girls of medium height looked at her and gave her spine-chilling terror. Before Mohini could shout, one of the girls covered her mouth and they all started laughing. Mohini was left astonished. Astonished means deeply surprised, shocked. To make things clear, one of the boys told her that they had been assigned to guide her through the school and assist her to make her feel comfortable. Okay, they were coming nearer to introduce themselves and thought of playing a small prank. Prank means a joke. When Mohini started running away from them, Mohini breathed a sigh of relief and conveyed that she thought she was about to get bullied. So in this way, you may leave the story with a message, or you may give some suspense or thrill in your story with suitable twists or turns in the story. So in this way you have to compose your story. So I think you all have understood